Hi guys, if you are new to my channel, I'm Julia, and if you are not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe because I'm gonna be releasing more videos on acne and skincare. And in today's video, I'm gonna review a product which is definitely a holy grail in my skincare, and I've been using it for over 8 months already. And I just realized that I didn't make a proper review for this product, and it's like the best cosmetic I have ever used. So I decided just to sit down and finally make a review after 8 months. It's gonna be about InstaNatural Niacinamide Serum, which I'm gonna also compare to the ordinary niacinamide serum, which I also have used. So this product, a part of niacinamide and zinc, also contains hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, avocado oil, and rosemary extract. So it definitely moisturizes skin a lot better than the ordinary serum. I definitely prefer the consistency of this product. I've noticed that I can apply a lot more and it still will absorb fully, where when I would apply a little bit too much of the ordinary niacinamide serum, it wouldn't absorb. It would kind of like roll over my skin. I don't know, I just didn't really like the texture and the consistency, so that's why I decided to just try different niacinamide serum, and I really like this one. The price is pretty much the same because I pay around $14 for 60 milliliters, and for 30 milliliters of the ordinary serum I paid around $7. So yeah, it's pretty much the same price, but you do get some extra healing and more moisturizing ingredients in this one. This serum is non-comedogenic, and if you have acne prone skin like I do, it's gonna be amazing, because the main reason why I decided to get niacinamide serum is because niacinamide is known for minimalizing the pores and regulating the sebum production. So if you are dealing with very oily skin, acne prone skin, if you have a lot of blackheads, this serum will work great for you. So it's been amazing these last 8 months. I've been using this product regularly, like every single day. I use it at night. I didn't really notice a big difference when I was using 2 times a day. So that's why I just decided to just apply it at night, and it just lasts a lot longer, and the results are pretty much exactly the same, if not even better. And biggest side effects which I've noticed, the positive side effects. I actually didn't notice any negative side effects, but the positive ones are definitely decreased sebum production. I naturally have very oily skin. After washing my skin, after applying cream, within like 30 minutes, an hour, my skin will be already very shiny, very oily. With this serum, I was able to really minimalize it, and I was actually amazed how quickly the serum started to work. I think within like a week, I definitely noticed a lot less pimples, a lot less blackheads. My skin is more smooth. The color is more even. I can definitely feel a lot more comfortable without wearing makeup after using this serum. So it's pretty incredible, because I used to be really insecure about my skin, and I wouldn't go out, without makeup, at least applying, a BB cream, because my skin really didn't look good. And now my skin looks glowing. I still get some blackheads, but it's definitely like reduced, I would say at least 50%, if not more. So I just love this serum, and I actually just bought another bottle of this. And again, I decided to just get the InstaNatural Niacinamide Serum instead of the ordinary, because first of all, it works better for me, at least. I really like the moisturizing effect. It's definitely more moisturizing than the ordinary serum, and I like the consistency, and well, it's a lot easier to buy. Like, I bought it online literally 2 days ago, and I just got it. So with the ordinary, I mean, I think I I think I waited like few weeks to get it, the package. So unfortunately, that's, you know, the big downside of ordering the ordinary cosmetics, because they come from UK and it takes a while and they usually sold out, but they have good prices. So if you can get it, sure, get it, especially if you want to just try for the first time. Just keep in mind, I do prefer this one. I feel like it works better than the ordinary serum, so I would definitely try this one first. But it's your choice. I think both of the serums are amazing, and still they both work really well. So, you know, depends what you prefer. I'm gonna link both of these products, the ordinary serum and also the InstaNatural one, in the description box. But it's been 8 months, and I can definitely tell that every time I use it, I see a big difference. I had a week when I decided to just stop using it, and my skin started to look worse. So it's kind of addicting. You gotta keep that in mind, that if you're gonna start using this niacinamide serum, you probably will have to keep continuing using it. But it's like with any other products, you have to keep using your moisturizing cream if you want your skin to be moisturized. So if you want your skin to be blemish free and blackhead free, you gotta keep using the niacinamide serum. But thank God I can use it just once a day and it still gives me the same results. So yeah, it's been great. And if you want to give like a extra boost to your skin, then I can highly recommend getting the BHA HAA, the ordinary peeling solution. It's amazing. I need to order another bottle of this, but I've been using this regularly for also 8 months, and I just love this thing. I actually recorded another review of this product, but I use it usually 2 times a week, sometimes once a week if I forget. But if I'm regular with this product, it gives me amazing results. Like the serum production is even more minimalized, and definitely my skin is more smooth. There is a lot less blackheads, and my pores are minimalized too. So I really like this product. Definitely with the niacinamide serum, these are like amazing for acne and for oily skin or a combination skin. These are great. I love these products, and they are very cheap. So anyone can get it. Let me know if you tried any of these products, and don't forget to check the description box where I list them all, and I will see you soon in the next video.